Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix FPS drops and stuttering in Battlefield 2042. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up Steam, then go to Battlefield, right click on it, go to Properties, and on Launch Options here, just copy this code and just paste it here. So minus sign DX12, right? And then you need to just run the game and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here, you can open up Task Manager, and then you just can sort it out by CPU, and then just end all the tasks that you don't need playing the game that requires a lot of CPU or GPU, right? So for me, if I play the game, I don't need to be a studio, so I can close the task here, and then I need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to go to Settings, then you need to go to Gaming, make sure Xbox Game Bar is off, make sure captures is also record what happened is off, and also make sure game mode is on. And then you need to go to graphic settings, and then you need to look for a Battlefield here and go to options and make sure to set up to a high performance, right? Same thing on the task manager, load up a game, and let's say this one is basically the game. So you need to right click on it, go to details, right click on the exe file, and then you need to set priority and make it to high, right? And if the problem still persists, another thing that you can do here, you need to make sure that your GPU drivers and your operating system is fully updated. And to check it, you need to just right here check for updates, and if there is an update for you that you need to install it, please do so. Restart the computer, and you need to look if the problem persists or not. Same thing with your GPU drivers. Go to Device Manager, and then go to Display Adapters, and then just right click on the GPU, update driver, search automatically for drivers, and if there is basically an update that you need to install, please do so, and then your problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.